Good evening, everybody, and welcome to this evening's weather update. So we're going to be seeing a series of atmospheric rivers uh, hitting California over the next week to 2 weeks. So starting using the GFS model, the 18Z run, as of about 5 p.m. this evening, we are having our first atmospheric river bring widespread rain to California with snow in the mountains. And this is going to bring rain through the overnight all the way through tomorrow. Widespread rain across the state with snow in the Sierra Nevada mountains. We're going to be getting a break on Friday, and our next atmospheric river is going to hit northwestern California by Friday night and bring widespread rain to the northern half of the state through Saturday and snow in the mountains once again. We're going to be seeing a consecutive storm Sunday bring another round of heavy rain to the northern half of California, snow in the mountains, and another storm Monday, yet another storm on Wednesday. And it looks like we could get a break next Wednesday and Thursday, but this is already a week out, and we're going to be seeing six consecutive systems impact California and parts of Southwest Oregon. So this is going to lead to some very high rainfall totals and snowfall totals and major problems across the state. And looking ahead into week 2, January the 12th, 13th, this pattern looks like it's going to continue with atmospheric river after atmospheric river hitting California potentially all the way through January the 19th. So first, looking at rainfall totals through Thursday, January the 12th, per the GFS model, uh, areas across northwestern California can expect widespread totals of 6 to 10 inches of rain, with isolated locations receiving as much as 15 to 20 inches. This is going to cause massive flooding across northern California, on top of the 5 to 10 inches we saw with last week's atmospheric river. Across central California, we can expect anywhere from 2 to 6 inches of rain, and even towards southern California, towards the Los Angeles area, we can expect 2 to 4 inches of rain. And looking at snowfall accumulations across the Sierra Nevada mountains, we're going to be seeing feet of snow from these atmospheric rivers, anywhere from about 2 to as much as 6 feet in the Sierra Nevada, with isolated totals up to 8 feet over the next 8 days alone. And then some of these other mountain ranges could get as much as 2 to 6 feet of snow as well. Looking at the European model for snow across California, the European model is going crazy with the snowfall accumulation, putting 140 inches of snow in parts of the Sierra Nevada mountains. Many areas, according to the European model, could get anywhere from 100 to 150 inches of snow. That could be as much as I believe 9 to 13 feet. So insane snow totals coming from the series of atmospheric rivers. Widespread snow totals across Nevada of about 3 inches to a foot. Same with Oregon, even. And then looking at rainfall accumulations across California in the European model. The European model is putting widespread 6 to 12 inches of rain across central and northern California over the next 8 days. So this is going to lead to some very bad flooding. We have a moderate risk of excessive flooding rainfall today along much of the California coast, including the San Francisco area, a slight risk extending further inland, and then a marginal risk in the dark green. Looking at tomorrow, we have a slight risk of excessive flooding rainfall across the Los Angeles area and northwest California, as well as the base of the Sierra Nevada mountains. And going into Friday, this is when we're going to have our break. We're just have a marginal risk. But looking at the Weather Prediction Center or the Storm Prediction Center uh, quantitative precipitation forecast for the next 7 days. Even the National Weather Service is putting widespread totals of 5 to 10 inches across the west coast of California as well as northwest California, and then towards Los Angeles and Southern California, anywhere from 2 to 6 inches over the next 7 days, and then across the Sierra Nevada, about uh, 7 to 15 inches of rainfall equivalent and snowfall, which is going to be several feet of snow. So a this is going to be possibly a historic series of atmospheric rivers coming to California. Make sure you are preparing if you live anywhere from Los Angeles northward for flooding. For these are probably going to produce strong winds for power outages, and have a plan on how to deal with these kind of rainfall totals that are very unusual for California. Stay safe and have a wonderful evening, my friends.